Hey students, this is your hints video on lesson 10.2 on probability. So first we have several problems where we're thinking about a scenario and we're just asked to say the likelihood. So not the probability, but the likelihood. So as you solve these, you're going to want to think about this graphic that we've looked at in our notes. If your soccer team wins 3/4 of the time, that would be likely. It would be likely that you win the next game based on what you've won so far. So you're going to use these words to describe how likely something is to happen. Then you have a few problems where you have this set of shelves with some shirts on it. If we count, we see we have 10 shirts total. So we're looking for a probability. We can just write these as fractions. The probability of choosing a red shirt would be 1 out of 10. There's one red shirt out of 10 total, so that's 1/10. And the probability of not choosing a black shirt, that's number 14. These two are black. They kind of look brown, but those are black shirts. So there's 8 out of 10 that are not black, which will simplify to 4 out of 5, 4 over 5. Okay, then on problem 18, we have this carnival problem with the ducks. We're given a probability of choosing a winning duck at 0.24. We could also think of this as 24%. So if we want to use that probability to figure out how many winning ducks there are, we could multiply 0.24 times 25, 0.24 times 25, and we get 6 winning ducks. Now this problem asks us how many are not winners. Well, if there's 25 ducks and 6 of them are winning ducks, we can subtract to find that there are 19 non-winning ducks. Describe the likelihood of not choosing a winning duck. Well, if there's a 24% chance of getting a winning duck, then there would be a 76% chance of not choosing a winning duck. So it is likely that you'll choose a duck that's not a winner. It's unlikely that you would choose a duck that is a winner. All right, and the last problem that I have for you is this dodecahedron die. It's numbered 1 through 12, so this is a 12-sided die. So we need to think about both the probability and the likelihood. So the probability of rolling a number less than 9, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 out of 12, or 2/3 is the probability. So that is likely, more than 50% chance. Okay, the next row has rolling a multiple of 3. So if our only choices are numbers 1 through 12, we have 3, 6, 9, and 12. 4 out of 12, or 1/3 of our rolls would be multiples of 3. So it is unlikely to roll a number that's a multiple of 3. And rolling a number greater than 6, so that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that's 6 out of 12, or 1/2. So this one would be equally likely or unlikely. Or I think we could also say equally likely to happen or to not happen.